This is the environmental monitoring system based on AWS IoT and web dashboard. This project addresses the need for real-time environmental monitoring using low-cost devices and cloud integration. It is designed to offer remote visualization, threshold-based alerting, and secure user interaction. Now we are deploying the methods. First, run the sensor writer on Raspberry Pi, and then run the AWS uploader. Now we can open the website. The first step is sign in, then enter your password. I can log in strictly because I've already created my account. If you didn't create the account, you should create the account firstly. As well as you log into your account, you can see the line chart, which is based on the data of humidity and temperature and the pressure. As you can see, the real-time data is under the line chart, while the temperature, pressure, and humidity change. You can see the line chart change based on the real-time data. After you have already set the threshold, if the number is over the number you set, it will alert by sending email. Then we can override the threshold, and the alert will only reflect values above the threshold. DynamoDB database. The sensor date DynamoDB table is used to persist all sensor readings. Its schema uses device ID as the partition key and timestamp as the source key, so each item is a unique sensor reading. This design allows securing the latest and reading easily by sorting by timestamp within a device partition. A separate sensor threshold table stores threshold setting. It uses device ID as the key and holds attribute for the current threshold value. AWS IoT Core. It received the value from Pi sensor, and it is where the value of DynamoDB and Lambda from. Now you can see the Lambda functions. Sensor data query is used to read the latest sensor data from the DynamoDB table sensor data. Sensor data processor is triggered when the device uploads data to AWS IoT Core, reads the corresponding threshold setting, compares the current data to the threshold, and if it does, send an alert email. Threshold updater accepts threshold setting submitted by the front end and writes or updates them to the sensor threshold table. In CloudWatch, you can see all the response and data of these three Lambda functions. Yes, I can verify the email address. Only verified email can be sent the alert email. Incognito method. I create a user pool Then create the app client. This is the place I can set the callback URLs and sign out URLs. This is also the place of OpenID Connect setting. All my website code as well as the JavaScript web dashboard are in the index.html. Firstly, I need to create a bucket, then put the index.html into the bucket. I use CloudFront and S3 to host front-end interface, and use JavaScript web dashboard to visualize data and support threshold configuration. As you can see, I put all the resources into API gateway. You can see two methods, get and post. The method request, method response. This is how I achieve the threshold function. The IMA is the holder of all user roles and policies. And now this is the operation of sign up. If you forgot your password, you can also click the forgot your password button to reset your password by email.